Here at ACRO Automation Systems, we provide custom manufacturing solutions to customers worldwide. This video shows multiple pieces of equipment to produce a brake pedal subassembly. The first step in the process is pressing a bushing into the brake arm and automatically ejecting the part onto a conveyor. An operator is loading the brake arm along with other components into weld fixtures that are mounted on a Ferris wheel positioner of a robotic weld cell. Once loaded, the fixture rotates in front of the robots. Shown here is the robotic dry cycle of the welding program, with the upper right picture showing the actual welding operation. 3 welding robots weld simultaneously on 3 identical weld fixtures. Once the weld is complete, the fixtures rotate back to the operator. The next step is to load the 3 welded brake arms into a weld test station. The station has a walking beam transfer system with a force applied on the pedal plate to verify the integrity of the weld. A good part is automatically transferred out of the machine. The next process shown here is the installation of the rubber pedal onto the pedal plate. Fingers stretch the rubber around the plate. Shown here, we have a palletized line that has assembly, testing, and part verification stations. Two operators load the pallets with the brake arm that we have previously watched being manufactured, along with the housing and a pivot pin. A printed label is applied to every housing for a part traceability. The pallet enters an enclosure with vision cameras to inspect that all the correct parts have been loaded. This station, the part is clamped down and a robot inspects the amount of side play in the pedal. Shown here, the part is clamped and the pivot tube is swedged to keep it in place. This station clamps the part. A mechanism raises the brake arm and a vision inspection camera on the end of the robot checks over the part in multiple locations. The final robot is utilized to unload the brake arm and housing assembly from the pallet and does a final inspection of the bushings in the housing before it is placed onto one of the 2 conveyors. ACRO Automation Systems prides itself in providing cost-effective solutions to our customers for over 80 years. Uptime, on time, all the time.